the mythological story filled with enchanting and supernatural motifs, beginning with the killing of the water marten, is actually based on an event mentioned in the Volsunga saga. In this event, the Norse gods Odin and Loki race to kill a water marten, marking the beginning of a cursed tale. According to the Volsunga saga, the Norse gods Odin and Loki set out on a journey one day and arrive in the lands of King Regan, who possesses magical powers. There, they encounter a beautiful water marten with a golden yellow fur that shines. The idea of killing this water marten to obtain its fur quickly turns into action, capturing the attention of the gods. Loki's greed manifests itself as he hastily throws a stone from the ground. However, this stone hits the water marten, causing its blood to water the lands of King Regan. Meanwhile, Odin takes the fur in his hand, consuming the remaining meat and separating the bones. However, they fail to realize that the water marten possessed the ability to shapeshift. King Regan, now blessed with watered lands, expresses gratitude to the gods. However, Odin discovers that the water marten they took the fur from was, in fact, Loki's son Odr. The actions of Odin and Loki set off a curse, bringing about calamity between humans and gods. Loki is punished by binding Odin and Andvari with invisible chains. This chain of events continues as Loki transforms into a dragon named Fafnir. Meanwhile, King Regan is killed, cursed, and gains the ability to shapeshift. The saga continues with Loki's quest for gold and the cursed treasure. Loki encounters a dwarf named Andvari, which means careful in Old Norse. Andvari agrees to help Loki in exchange for a golden ring and the treasure. However, Loki's greed and the curse bring disaster as soon as he obtains the treasure. Loki's son Sigurd seizes the treasure, bringing an end to his own family. Sigurd marries Kriemhild, King Regan's daughter, and yet the curse affects this marriage as well. Sigurd's death and the subsequent tragedies illustrate that the curse persists. Many writers have drawn inspiration from this mythological story, creating different versions and tales. For instance, J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings trilogy was influenced by the Volsunga saga, leading him to craft his own fantasy world.